Suno, Yejo tel main chen chen ho rahi hai. This is not just frying. This is pakora magic. Har bubblet kahani sunara hai. Spices, chicken, and heat all dancing together. Deco, rang badal raha hai. From soft white to golden glory. Alki kushdu, masalam kajadu. It's filling the whole room. Ekik tukta tela siuparafta hai. Wearing its crispy golden coat. Ready to win hearts. Crunch kiawas. Or under a sea soft juicy chicken. Bus, ek bite or diljit lia. Rainy days, cheka cup, or ya chicken pakora plate pay. Is esi betterine combination dunya mia he hai nahi. Crispy outside, tender inside. Chicken pakoras fried with love, served with pride.
In a world where hunger strikes without warning, only one hero can save the day. Born from tender chicken, seasoned with courage, they plunge into the battlefield of hot oil, facing the furious bubbles, transforming from pale and shy into golden warriors of crunch. The oil hisses, the clock ticks, the aroma escapes into the air, calling every soul nearby. And when the battle ends, they rise victorious, crispy on the outside, juicy on the inside. This is not just food. This is the legend of chicken pakoras, coming soon to your plate. Each piece a treasure, made by your hand. Serve them with pride. Let happiness pour, because one bite, and they'll ask for more. Chicken pakoras, crispy, golden, adored forevermore.